Hi, this is Mr. Drury. This will quickly show you how to use the adaptive release feature in Blackboard, which is a handy little tool that helps you allow students to do makeup work and that sort of thing. To use it, you just go to an item that you would want to use this tool with. Right beside it, you'll see a little arrow here beside every item on Blackboard. And then this drop-down menu opens, you click Adaptive Release. And then you can set the dates, times and dates when you want the item to be available. If you leave this blank, this applies then to the whole class. But you can also use this for one person by just clicking the browse button there beside it, right here. Okay, when this opens, by default it goes to username, which is the beginning of their BearPass email. Hard to know what that would be. But if you just click last name and then come over here and start to type their last name there, select it, choose go. Now it'll give you a list, and you just click here. There's a scroll bar here, and then click submit. And now this is going to only apply to this one person. Okay. This is where you would select where the grade's supposed to go. And this is exam quiz 8, I believe it was. Yes. And then just click submit. And now you've created that rule. Now, if you need to get rid of one of these rules, you come back to that drop-down menu, and right underneath the original one, you'll see Adaptive Release Advanced. Okay, now it shows you your rules. Okay, and you can copy this. If you have a student that has several assignments they need to make up, you can create one rule and then just copy it and apply it to other assignments. And if you need to delete it, just click the box, and I'm going to delete the one we just set up because I don't need that there. Okay, and now it comes back and it'll tell you success, and here it'll tell you content status is available. All right. Now, let's say you have a situation, which you will run into occasionally, where you already have, or maybe you're already using this, but as I said, you have a makeup situation where, like what we have here is our quizzes are only allowed to them, they're only allowed to do it during a certain time. So we already have a rule, but we can set a second rule. And to do that, we go back to Adaptive Release Advance, and then create a rule. Okay, and then just click submit. So now we have rule 2. Now we need to create some criteria. And if this was a makeup, your membership and your date are going to be the two things you need to put criteria for. And then we would just set here for our dates when we want them to be able to view it or do the assignment. Oops. And then the times, make that midnight, and click submit. When this comes up, it's just telling you that since you have a date, it narrows the availability of the users or the students to be able to see the item. Okay, and now here's your rule. Now we need to add criteria if it was for one particular student, and that's the same way we did it before. Click browse, choose last name, pick a student, and then click their name, scroll over, and click submit. Okay, and that is all there is to that. Hope you found that useful. Thanks very much.